For the first time in India's history, a new cabinet does not even have one Muslim minister. That's Modi 3.0. With a total of 293 Lok Sabha MPs, the BJP-led NDA has no Muslims, no Christians, no Sikhs and no Buddhists in the lower house. As PM Modi and 71 other ministers took oath on Sunday, here are 5 facts that show us how low the minority representation is in the newly formed NDA government. First, India has close to 20 crore Muslims that make up almost 14% of our country's population. Still, they now have no representation in the union cabinet that will govern us. Second, the BJP-led NDA does not even have a single Muslim MP in the Lok Sabha. Coming to the India bloc, 7.9% of their 232 MPs are Muslims. Now, with just 24 Muslim MPs in the Lok Sabha, the representation of the community has fallen to the second lowest ever. Third, there are over 2.5 crore Christians in India that make up over 2% of our population. Still, there's not even one Christian Lok Sabha MP from the NDA. On the other hand, 3.5% of the India bloc's Lok Sabha MPs are Christians. Fourth, there are about 2.5 crore Sikhs in India, and the NDA has 0 Lok Sabha MPs from this community too, while the India bloc has 5% Sikh Lok Sabha MPs. So which communities do the majority of our MPs belong to? Well, for the NDA, the most number of MPs come from upper castes. 33% of the NDA's MPs come from upper castes such as Brahmins and Rajputs. On the other side, in the India bloc, the most number of MPs come from OBCs, which make up over 30% of their total MPs. If there's no voice of the minorities in the Lok Sabha, how can the NDA government ensure Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas?